Okay, hello, good morning. Here now is another tutorial on how to change the scale of the drawings, NTS, for all schematics. So for example, this drawing, if you look here, let's say schematic fire alarm. Open that and then check the scale here. So it's NTS. So imagine they finish already all the sheets and all the drawings, but some of your team miss something. Scaling, they forgot to put the right scaling. For example, this one, let's check if this is correct. So I'm going to show you how to automate the scaling. So it's NTS, so this one is correct. This drawing is correct. So let's find maybe another schematic that is not in correct sheets. Maybe hydraulics schematic. Let's check this one. Let's check scale. Let's check the scaling if it's correct. So again, it's also correct. General notes. So this is one example. So general notes, it should be not to scale. It's in here. So one way to do that, to automate all checking, is you can go here in the sheet list. Okay. And now in here you can add the scale of the drawing, sheet number, sheet disciplines, status, scale. It should be. How come it's not in this in the drawing? Because the scale is this one. The scale is in the family. If you open the family, this is not a shared parameter. So shared parameter will, if it is just a family parameter, it will not shown in the schedule. So that's why it's not showing. So that's anyway. Let's sort this one. Let's not add or transfer this one to the shared parameter, but let's make this one to automate all the sheets. We can see here we can automate all the sheets information and changing it to not to scale. Example, this one, how you change this one to not to scale. Okay, so if I select this one and then so this one is the scale of this one. Actually, another solution is you go here, activate, and then you change this one, custom, and then display NTS. Okay, you can also do that one by one. The activate view. So there you go. You can do that, but you can do it one by one, right? But what if I want to put NTS dash? Maybe I want to put here. Where's the text? Annotate, and then text. Okay. Maybe I want to put here dash 1:150. 1:50. Then dash 1:100. Maybe you have many sheets you want to place like that, like this, as a possible scaling, right? So that they will see here. So let's go through this tutorial or process on how to automate this one. Instead of using this one and changes the view directly, you should go. We can automate this one with and also use and schedule. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, actually in my another screen I'm showing the video tutorial. So for this one, let's close this one, then go back here. Okay, you select this scale. If you select this one, edit scale, so this is the scale, right? So in here, what you're doing, then you select visibility, visible, and then it's already scale. Okay, new upscale, other type is ano. Okay, and then select instance. Okay, next is instruction is you select again this one, and then you can copy this one here below, select edit label, then you put it back, create a shared parameter, select, maybe I want to put here sheet, edit, to add there sheets, new parameter, I want to add this scale, scale text, common, should be text. Okay, there you have it. Okay, press OK, then you select it in the sheet, scale text, and that's it. Then press OK and put it there. Okay, so there you have it. So just place it here so that we can see the difference. So now select again this one, and then you select the visibility and add scale text. Scale text, yes, no other. Okay, and then press instance and press OK. Okay, now after that you go to the family types, and you will see here you will write a formula. So this is the scale and the scale text. Okay, I have done this before, but I forgot the process. Really messed my understanding. So in the scale text, you put this one, formula, not group of scale. So it should be match the capital is wrong, so match oops of scale. Okay, and then you apply. So the formula is working. Okay, it's okay. And then after this one, you can load this one to the project. So, okay. So reading because it has many sheets, multiple sheets. Okay, once you load the family, this one upscale is ready here, and scale text. You have to go to manage, and then in the shared parameter, no, project parameter, you want to add that one, shared. Then you select that shared parameter scale text. Okay, then you go here in the sheets. Okay, select, and then you select this one to other. Okay, then press OK. Okay, so there you have. So if I select this one, example, this one should be NTS, right? But instead of going directly to the views, you can just select this one, scale upscale. So it will not appear now. But this, you see here, this I move intentionally move directly here. So that one can be supplied here. So if I type here NTS, right? Maybe I want that just to show you the difference. TS, okay? And you will see it will appear here. So the next step will automate this one. So we will use an automation tools on how to batch this one, how to batch select the views and automate all the drawings. So I'll show you now. This is the process. So in the schedule, where's my schedule? Schedule. Sheet list. Okay. I have 3 minutes to do this. So I can fields. I will add scale text first. Okay. Okay. And then I know there's one already here. General notes. Okay. Okay. So let me think first. Okay. You open select this one, sheet link, and then in the sheet link you select this active view because you are active in the sheet list. Okay, then after that you select here the sheet number, sheet name, and the scale text and the scale. Okay, then you have to export that one, export the sheets in the roots Revit folder, save, then it will open this one. So this one has already a filter automated. The good thing about this one, so you can just select here the sheet name and check all, and then you just select schematic. Okay, then press OK. So as you can see here, this should be schematic. This should be not 1:100. Should be all NTS. So just paste it here and then double click. Okay. Oh, and then another thing, filter. I think I'm not going to make it almost 15 minutes. Let's make another time for this one. So again, filter. I will post this one. So okay, I already filtered this one. All the schematic general notes, as you can see here, NTS already. Supply schematic details, so it's not, and also details also. Anyway, let's do that on a second video because I have 10 seconds now time, 15 minutes only timeline. Okay, don't worry, we'll create additional video. So for the details, also the same. I will create the NTS for the details, not to scale.